Snoring, for you, may not seem like a big deal, but it's a symptom of a disease called sleep apnea, which is a very serious and potentially fatal disease. People with sleep apnea stop and start breathing hundreds of times during the night because this depletes their brain of precious oxygen. They rarely feel like they got a good night's sleep, and they often walk around in a mental fog. Sleep apnea can also cause or worsen high blood pressure, heart disease, strokes, diabetes, liver problems, dementia, cancer, and depression. Fortunately, there's a solution at Icon Multi-Specialty Hospital, where we offer a sleep consultation. By visiting today, we'll help you get a good night's rest.